subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole blog.
Vivo has launched its new affordable 5G phone under Y series in China called Vivo Y35m. Now let's see the specifications of the smartphone. The Vivo Y35m features a 6.51-inch HD Plus display with a standard 60Hz refresh rate support, and it has a tall 20:9 aspect ratio. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4, 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 4GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of UFS 2.0 storage with microSD expansion support. As per the optics, the Vivo Y35m supports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes one 13MP main camera with f2.2 aperture along with the 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 5MP selfie camera under the waterdrop notch at the top center with f1.8 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 15W fast charging support, and it runs on latest Android 13 out of the box based on OriginOS Forest skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164 by 75.6 by 8.15mm, and it weighs around 186 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Vivo Y35m has been priced in China for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,399 Chinese yuan, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 1,599 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 1,699 Chinese yuan. The smartphone will be available for purchase in the country in Star Orange and Starry Black color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y35m smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.